Some basic concepts of chemistry. This is the second part of this chapter. If you not watched the first part, then go to description and hit the link given and watch the video. In this part we are discussing about matter, its nature and classification. Now what is matter? Matter is defined as anything that occupies space, possesses some mass, and the presence of which can be felt by any one or more of our five senses. For example, the pen and the book all are matter. Matter can be classified on two bases. Number one, on the physical nature of matter, and number two, by its chemical nature. Let's see the physical nature of matter. Based on temperature and pressure conditions, matter is classified into the following three categories. Number one is solid, the second is liquid, and the third one is gases. There are some examples of the following. For example, water is belong to liquid, whereas wood is belong to solid. Now what made them different from each other? The answer is the arrangement of particles in them, as shown in the figure. In solid, the particles are closely packed, whereas in liquid there is some gap between the particles. At last, in gases, there is very large gap between the particles. Now let's see the chemical nature of matter. On the basis of reaction of matter and their chemical behavior, matter is classified into two main categories. Number one is the pure substances, which is broadly categorized into elements and compounds. Now see what is elements. Elements. An element is defined as a pure substance that contain only one kind of particles. These particles may be atoms or molecules. Elements could be also categorized into metals and non-metals. Examples of elements are gold, carbon in the form of graphite, and helium. Thank you for watching the video, and at last there is a question for you. Name two discoveries of chemistry which have helped mankind and same discovery have harmed the mankind, and how. If you like this video, then share it to your friend and subscribe my channel.